Caleb with his scooter. Ay, relax lang. Ingat. Tara dong, let's go, go, go. Ayan, si Caleb, medyo marunong na siya mag-scooter. And dahil maganda ang weather ngayon, mag-iikot-ikot kami. You have to be careful. Don't do that. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Yes. Ayan. Yes. So, Friday today, wala pang school si Caleb. Instead na magstay siya sa house, ikot-ikot muna kami for now. Punta kami sa park para naman makapag-practice siya. Ayan si Caliber. Since wala tayong bicycle, kayo, may magdaan siya. Wala kaming bicycle, so dito na lang kami mag-scooter. Yan. Dito tayo daan kasi walang dumadaan masyado dito, Caleb. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Hala, you can go straight there and you wait me there para dito mag-traffic sa dalan. Or is it hard?
Ano?
Is it hard?
No.
Galing ni Caleb. Yan, so meron silang 2 weeks holiday. School holiday dito. That's why nakapag-relax ang mga kabataan ngayon. And ayan na nga. Dahil sa Monday, start na ng school. So, ngayon, ikot-ikot muna tayo and it's not raining kasi the whole week almost ulan araw-araw. So, at least medyo ngayon, super ganda ng weather. Although malamig siya. Pero pwede na. So, first time ni Caleb makapunta dun sa park. This is your school? Caleb? Yes. This is your school. Okay, so for 2 weeks, Caleb, what did you do? Sa 2 weeks na bakasyon mo, anong ginawa mo? Kasi first time ni Caleb na may bakasyon siya ng 2 weeks.
Playing scooter.
Oh, playing scooter?
Yeah.
Rebya. So, Caleb, excited ka na ba back to school?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Rebya. It's nice to hear kasi minsan pag nakapagpahinga ka na ng 2 weeks, minsan nakakatamad na bumalik. Pero si Caleb, he's excited to go back.
Sometimes I'm very lazy to go back, so
Really?
why
Oh.
learn when you just can calculate?
Yeah, every day is a learning process. You have to learn something every day. It's continuously. Ayan, malapit na tayo, Caleb, sa park.
Wait, can you scooter?
Me? Of course I can.
Like smoothly?
Yes.
Smoothly?
Yes. Give me. Okay, and can you just go like that? Ito. Okay.
Nice.
You do the same?
Yeah.
Okay. Très bien. Thank you, Caleb. So it's your turn to shine.
What?
It's Caleb's turn to shine. Smoothly. Nice weather. Oh la la, very nice. So, Sunday ngayon, bakasyon pa, kaya wala masyadong tao. At ito siya school. So, nasa bakasyon pa ang mga kabataan. And si Caleb, dito lang kami, stay. Practice lang. Enjoying the weather. Dito tayo, Caleb. Maganda dito. Yan, liko tayo dyan.
What?
Ah, wait.
But there's so many people.
You've been here before?
Yeah.
Sino kasama mo?
Teacher sa Gumuke.
Really?
Yes.
Anong ginawa niyo dito?
Nag-walk, tapos nag-ato sa mga kuan dito sa place nga ang mga old ladies nagatudlo nga unsang Nazi, which I like don't like,
Ah,
you know. That's why I call it very
ayan
big.
oh. Basketball. Sabi ko sa iyo where you can do basketball. Oh.
There is also a soccer field.
Yeah. O, diba? Wala ka pang kalaban dyan.
Huh?
Pwede ka naman dumaan dito. Ganyan oh. Entrance na yan eh. Oh, dito din. So, ang pangalan ng park na to is... What's the name?
Tibua.
Bienvenue à la promenade de Petit Bois. You go that way, I go this way. And, anong makikita mo dyan? Ano yan? Ano makikita mo?
Statue.
Statue of a woman.
Yes, why?
I've been here before.
Me, yes. Why is
A
it
woman talaga siya.
Why is it very hard?
Talaga? You've been here?
Yes.
Maganda din dito ah.
It's an optical illusion, Tita Jo.
Ha?
When you're up there, you see this like,
Ayan.
but when you go here, it's like not straight. It's like stairs.
Okay. Walang tao ah, in fairness. So kami lang, time check, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Ay, wala silang tubig. Dati no, overflow ang tubig dire.
Ah, parang
Parang wala lagi. Can't believe it.
saan tayo?
Wag na yan dyan.
Huh?
Hala ko kasi may ano dito. Tara, doon tayo. Laki ng ano nila o palaruan o. Kung may basketball ka.
Ay, marami.
Oh, pwede kayo dyan maglaro-laro.
Malaki.
Diba? Super laki. Yan. Ayan.
Ay,
So, very, very artistic sila dito ha.
ha?
Very artistic. Actually, bawal naman yan. Pero, alam mo na, mga gusto sila mag-art. So, ayan siya. You want to drive here? Yeah, you can try. Ang ganda, no? Ayan, so ang ganda pa rin ng bansang ito. Malinis ang hangin, walang pollution. Do you agree, Caleb?
Yes.
'Di ba? Walang pollution. Ayan, pahinga-hinga muna si Caleb sa ano kasi medyo malayo-layo yung nilakad namin. Ayan, so maglalakad pa tayo, Caleb, ha, kasi we're here to exercise, to walk, If you want to run, you can.
Practice
Yeah.
ako scooter.
Yes.
I'm very lazy.
If you get tired, then you have it.
Kaya mag-ana-ana lang ka ba?
Oh, 'di ba? Minsan kasi tinatabad na si Caleb maglakad eh. Hindi na siya nagsasalita. Pero ngayon na may scooter siya, kahit malayo pa yan, carry bells. Kasi dito wala kami mga tricycle or mga something, kaya at least may scooter. Salamat pala sa nag-sponsor ng scooter ni Caleb. Ayan lang. Oh. Yes. That's dangerous. Be careful. Yan, iikot